welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Paletteful Packs Day. This is Paletteful Packs Premier Box. It is a monthly art subscription box that sends you premium art supplies, typically for a project, which I absolutely love. This is one of my favorites. So this is the month of September. Let's see what's inside. Alrighty, first up I see some ink. It is getting pretty close to Inktober, so that does not surprise me. However, I do have a couple of these colors already. So this is actually Aquafine watercolor ink, so that is awesome. Ultramarine Blue Dark by Rani. This is a Cadmium Red Hue, also watercolor. Ooh, pretty. This is a ultramarine pink. Actually, it looks purple, but it's gorgeous. And then a lemon yellow. Those are watercolor inks. We have a little paint palette, a lot of squiggles, and some teeny tiny pads. So we have a Legion Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press. These are pretty thick, and looks like there's 10-ish of them. Um, 140 pound. Says 15. So it might be thinner than. No, don't know how there's 15. Okay, well, there you have that one. Next one is some Yupo Translucent. Clear 15 sheets also. And Yupo is very smooth, great for alcohol inks. A super cute Paletteful Packs sticker. I really like that. A Stonehenge Aqua Hot Press. Ooh, I squeaked a little there. 10 sheets, 140. Very smooth. A Silver Crystal Bright Flat. Don't know what size. 4. Flat 4. You can see that through the glare. A little card. Thank you. In November, we'll be celebrating our 4th year of sending fun and creative packs of art supplies to your door. Our first month in business started with about a dozen subscribers. Some of you are still with us, and in our almost 4 years in business, we have now shipped thousands of Paletteful Packs across the globe. That would not be possible without your support. We are a small and family-run business, and we can't express how thankful we are for your business. We appreciate your patience and understanding you have all demonstrated when we have encountered the occasional supplier hiccup. Our postal issues during this difficult pandemic period, postal issues during this difficult pandemic period. Whew. As a small business, we need your patronage more than ever. Thank you for supporting Paletteful Packs. We look forward to continuing to send you inspiring packs for years to come. Thank you. Betsy also says thank you. So this is the cute little Betsy, who is also on the sticker. So I love the sticker even more now that she has a name. Betsy. And then there is the normal card. So we've got September watercolor ink, Rani Aquafine watercolor ink, highly saturated pigmented, water soluble, basically water paint. Silver Brush Crystal Bright. Oh, sorry. Each paint is $8.20 each, and we got 4 of them. The brush was $4.20. The Aqua Mini paper pads are $1.99 each, and we got 2. We got a cold and a hot. And the Legion Yupo is $1.99. And then the round well paint tray is 99 cents. Has some tips and techniques. A video with tips and techniques from Dale Rani. The prompts are history, escaped, stuffed animal, and dream. So there you have it. That's the September Paletteful packs. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. And thanks for watching.